I have started on the latch, and I must admit it's so fun to sit and do. I actually enjoy it very much. So, but I would just like take these rows that are just here so you actually can see what I'm doing. Um, as I mentioned in um, my um, video where I showed the cross stitch that I got in this latch hook, I told you about the color numbers. They were just down here in the corner. So as you can see, I simply just cut it out because then it's so much more easy to actually go over here and be sure that you are taking the right color, because it can be a little bit confusing when you are sitting and looking down at the corner. So I simply just cut it out because then I can go in and see, okay, this one matched this one, so I just put up the colors here by my side on how they are in the colors here. So it's so easy. And what I do, it does say that you should do it in another way, um, but what I'm doing is I'm making a little loop here, then putting the latch hook in, then go down and put it in the fabric, and now of course I can't get it in. That's just typical. I just hold it here, put it down, go in. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. Then the little tap here have to be over to you. Then you pull it, and then you put your yarn here around it. It's so not so easy when you really want to show it and your fingers are in the way. So now you can see here I have the yarn around it. Then you just pull, because then it closes up, and then you just pull through, and then you have it tied up. Oh my god, it's raining now. I'm so sorry guys. I hope you can hear what I'm saying from the rain. They did say that we would get a lot of rain today, and also thunder. And yeah, the last days here have just been so horrible. It has been so hot that you just felt like you couldn't breathe. So it's actually nice that it's a little bit cooler now. But yeah, oh my god, it definitely have picked up with the rain. But we definitely also needed the water, because it was very, very dry outside. I do like when it's raining, and I do also love thunder. But yeah, my little poodle girl, she definitely don't like thunder. She is very afraid when when there is a thunder. So if it's going to be let me see, just have to make sure that I'm saying it right. Yeah, number 2. So if there is going to be the thunder, well, more worse than it is right now, I know she will come into me and she want me to protect her. So last time we had a thunder, Magnus was not home, and I was so lucky to get her through it without she actually knew about it. And up here in my craft room I have also a little dog bed for her, and she was laying over there and sleeping, so what I did was putting some music on, so it was so high so she couldn't hear the thunder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But yeah, it's definitely raining a lot right now. Let me see, 5, I need one more. But it's definitely going to be beautiful. And as I said, it's actually quite fun to sit with and also relaxing. And yeah, as you probably guys also have noticed, I have not gotten my table stand yet. I am still waiting for that one, and I really just can't wait to show that one to you guys. Last time I wrote to them asking them if they could tell when it would come. Um, they wrote back, and yeah, I could hear that they were not that happy that I wrote again. Oh well. So, but they said that it would be sent here in June. Well, I guess they have until the last day of June. But yeah, they are behind with their orders. But when you have been waiting so long for it, and you know it's so close, you just would like to know when. But yeah, they didn't give me a date. I wish they did. But yeah, I definitely have something to look forward to. So yeah, I also hope that all of you are doing good. Uh, it's going pretty good over here. Me and Magnus have just gotten the first vaccine. We got it here the June the 15th. Then we were over and getting our first shot. And oh my dear, have my body reacted to that so much. We got the Pfizer. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the Pfizer vaccine. And my arm was hurting so much that you would not believe it. I could not lift my arm. I could not get it on my back or lay on that. It was horrible. Really was in so much pain. And here comes my little dog now. Oh, are you okay? My poor little baby. So yeah, and I have been so tired. Been sleeping a lot since I got the vaccine. But I can also see, also because I am in a Danish group for people with fibromyalgia, and I can see that all of them are suffering with pain in their body and more tiredness after they have gotten the vaccine. But that it does go over again. But yeah, I must admit, I am not looking forward to my second shot here in next month. But well, I just have to go through it, and Then it's done, and then I don't have to think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I don't have to think about it again, hopefully. So yeah, it's better to be protected than not. Also, we have been so lucky over here also because our state or country, they shut us down so quick, and we have been in a lot of lockdown over here. There have been so many restrictions, but it have also done so we actually have gone through this yeah, how can I say it, more easy than many of the other countries when I look at it. In total, over this 1.5 year that we have battled with COVID, we have actually only have a little bit over 2,500 people that have died from it. So we have been very lucky, but I guess we can thank our government for shutting us down and wanted to keep us safe. So yeah, we have gone through it very, very easily. Well, of course, it have cost a lot of money for the government to do it, to keep us safe. Also because they had to help the different stores and provide them with a little bit of money so they wouldn't have to shut their stores down. Oh, there came my little one again. Er du okay, lille skat? Ja, kom du herind og ligge ved mor. Kom. Ja. Kom du bare. Ja, kom du bare herind og ligge. Nå, kom. Ja, kom du bare herind og ligge. Kom, ven. Kom, lille skat. Oh, she's so afraid. Oh, she tried to go into Magnus again. So yeah, poor little thing. I really hate that she's so afraid in thunder. And it's the same when we come to the new year with all of the firework. Oh my god. That is a horrible day to go through. And we have tried to with some medicine, some nature medicine, also because I don't want to give her the other drugs that like nearly sedate them, because they can they are still afraid, but they just can't react to it, and I don't want her to be laying there and be afraid inside and can't do anything. I won't do that to her. So yeah. So normally we put very high music on, and as I said, I don't remember if I actually said it, but last time we had a thunder that was in the evening time, and Magnus was out playing poker. I think I did, didn't I? I can't remember. Sorry. Fibro kicking in. Oh dear. So yeah, you have to bear with me bear over with me, guys, if I tell something twice. Because that happens sometimes, that you simply just forget if you have talked about it or not, and I just can't remember. I just can't. So, oh well, we better just laugh about it. Oh, that was a good rumble that came there. So, but I guess that I maybe have to shut down and put some music on for the little one, even though that I would would like to sit here even more. But oh, Mosepin. And I'm sorry for talking to Danish. Kom, lille skat. Putte ven. Kom. Oh, man, she's so afraid. No, I guess I better stop. But a short video is better than nothing. So, but I will come back and make a new one when the weather is not so bad. So, take care, guys. And as always, a big hug and kisses. Mwah! And keep safe. Bye!